Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da video that I have made. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit me. It fits me, but due to the closure on the front, it doesn't fit like this on the mannequin, medium-sized mannequin. So I would say this would fit small, medium, extra large perfectly, as the mannequin is a medium size, and I have closure with 4 beautiful buttons, as you can see. So here is the top-down knit Raglan blazer collar coat. I hope you enjoy it. Have fun. By the way, I used all of the yarn, all of the tiny bits. There's nothing left. 750 gram for this garment. Take care. Bye-bye.